In this video, I will show you how to repair PDF files. So guys, if you have any corrupted PDF file and you want to repair it, so very easily in just few seconds you can repair it using this repair it software. It's from Wondershare. So download free version and you can repair it in just 3 steps. Firstly, add your PDF file, then click on repair, and the last step, preview and save your PDF file. So very easily guys, you can repair your PDF file if your PDF file is corrupted or not readable. So just download and install the software free version and try to repair your PDF file, and please comment this video useful for you or not.